Every blast is a decision. One mistake, and everything changes. For the last 10 years, we've built the tools to get those decisions right. But the industry kept demanding more. Faster design, more capacity, more control. So we went further. Welcome to the new O-PitSurface. Fast. Support for larger files. Access anywhere, on any device. Open and flexible, compatible with any software. No delays, no limits. Precise. Built-in CAD tools for efficient workflows. Endless borehole placement possibilities. Transforming data into powerful reports. Driven by precision. Safe. Every charge designed with full control. Prevent initiation system failure. Simulate before you blast. Bringing design to life. More than an update. This is a new standard. New O-PitSurface. Fast, precise, safe design. O-Pitblast. Built for people who shape the ground.